welcome back to Kids Edu Hub. Today we are going to learn the words starting with each alphabet letter. And before we go into the video, please do subscribe and click the bell button so that you will get notifications whenever I post the video. Let's jump into the learning session. This is alphabet A. Let's learn the words that start with alphabet A. Say the words along with me so that you can learn the words. Shall we start? A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for axe. A for astronaut. A for alphabet. A for angel. A for animals. A for aquarium. A for ambulance. A for avocado. A for apricot. A for autumn. A for artist. Next is our letter B. Tell along with me, children. B for ball. B for bat. B for bat. B for book. B for backpack. B for bear. B for butterfly. B for book. B for banana. B for bicycle. B for bottle. B for building. B for baby. B for bird. B for blue. B for bus. B for balloons. B for bee. Shall we start with the alphabet C? C for cat. C for car. C for camel. C for cow. C for cup. C for cake. C for clock. C for chocolate. C for camera. C for cactus. C for circle. C for crocodile. C for chef. C for cruise. C for cloud. C for cookie. C for chair. C for computer. C for city. Now let's learn the words that start with D. D for dog. D for duck. D for donkey. D for drum. D for donut. D for doctor. D for deer. D for doll. Next is our alphabet E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. E for earth. E for eraser. E for envelope. Let's learn the words that start with F. F for frog. F for flower. F for fox. F for fairy. F for flag. F for flashlight. Next we learn for G. G for grapes. G for green. G for grass. G for girl. G for gift. G for guava. Let's learn the words that start with H. H for horse. H for hen. H for house. H for hippopotamus. H for helicopter. Next is the letter I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for iguana. I for ink. Next letter is J. J for jellyfish. J for jungle. J for jacket. J for jelly. J for juice. Next letter is K. K for kangaroo. K for kitten. K for kiwi. K for key. K for koala. Now let's learn the words that start with the letter L. L for ladybug. L for llama. L for lake. L for lightning. Next is letter M. M for moon. M for milk. M for muffins. M for mushroom. Next letter is N. N for nest. N for notebook. N for numbers. Next letter is O. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for olive. O for owl. O for onion. Now let's see the words that start with P. P for panda. P for puppy. P for pizza. P for pig. P for pumpkin. What's the next letter, children? It's Q. Q for quarter. Q for quiz. Q for quack. Q for quail. Next is our letter R. R for robot. R for rocket. R for rose. R for red. R for rabbit. Now we'll see the words that start with S. S for scooter. S for sea. S for strawberry. S for spider. S for star. Now let's see the words that start with T. T for turtle. T for train. T for tooth. T for toothbrush. T for tomato. Next letter is U. U for ukulele. U for utensils. U for umbrella. Next letter is V. V for vegetables. V for vehicles. V for violet. V for volleyball. V for violin. Now we'll see the words that start with W. W for whale. W for woodpecker. W for wagon. W for watermelon. Next letter is X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Now we'll see the words that start with Y. Y for yellow. Y for yogurt. Y for yacht. Y for yoga. The last letter of the English alphabet is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zucchini. That's all, children. Now we know lot of words starting with A to Z. Keep listening again and again and learn these words until we meet next time in another video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will get notifications whenever I post a video. Bye, children.